Hi and welcome to a quick FortiWeb video on implementing CORS for secure cross-domain API requests. In this use case scenario, we have www.example.com, a leading e-commerce platform that provides an API that allows its partners, such as third-party sellers, payment gateways, and affiliate sites, to integrate with their services. To maintain a smooth shopping experience, Example.com must enable these trusted external platforms to securely connect with their servers. At the same time, they must ensure that unauthorized websites are blocked from accessing sensitive customer data. Here's a list of customer data that must be protected. Host user profile information such as names, addresses, and contact details, which should only be accessible to a third-party vendor at a specific URL. Sensitive payment information, like credit card numbers or bank details, must be safeguarded and only accessible to the payment processor at its designated URL. Additionally, the account settings page, which contains access to account settings, password management, and security preferences, should only be available to the affiliate website through its assigned URL. FortiWeb CORS protection feature is built to ensure that only valid cross-origin resource sharing (CORS) requests from trusted web applications are permitted to access your resources. With this feature, you can securely manage CORS interactions, blocking unauthorized or potentially harmful applications from accessing your application's data. To configure allowed origins, navigate to Web Protection Access, then CORS Protection. Go to the Allowed Origin tab, enter the name of the new allowed origin, and click Create New. Select the protocol to HTTPS, enter the origin name, and use port 0. Port 0 is to match any port. Repeat this process for all allowed origins, such as payment processors and affiliate partners. Go to the CORS Protection Rules section and create a new rule. First, enter a name for the rule, enable the host status, and specify the host name. Set the type as a simple string and define the URL pattern. Add the allowed origins and set allowed credentials to true. You should include 3 entries, 1 for the vendor, 1 for affiliated partners, and 1 for payment processing. Once everything is set, save the configuration and proceed to the next step. Finally, on the CORS Protection Policy under Access, CORS Protection, enter a name on the policy and click OK. Next, click Create New. Set the ID to AU, and select the vendor name from the CORS Protection Rule dropdown. After that, choose Payments followed by the affiliate partner. Navigate to Policy Web Protection Profile, and click Create New to create a new inline protection profile. Under Access, set CORS Protection to the policy you just configured, and click OK to save. Navigate to Policy, Server Policy, and click Create New to create a new policy. Select the virtual server and pool, and for HTTP and HTTPS service, select HTTP and HTTPS respectively. Under Security Configuration, set Web Protection Profile to the Web Protection Profile you just configured. Click OK to save. To ensure that the CORS rules are working correctly, we use a curl script to send test traffic. The FortiWeb firewall can then monitor the attack logs generated by these curl script initiations. Thank you for watching.